booze just right at the shop. Big Nick energy.
Big Nick energy.
I wonder if everybody got access to this. Yeah. Sometimes I would say 6 o'clock in the morning I see bumpers jumping. Like crazy.
This is Nigel?
Yep.
Nigel from Guyana.
Roger! You know, no. Wait, you know that? No, we just should.
You come by the video. You come by the video.
Gasoline? Gasoline.
Damn.
Still works.
Tryna get this dough, y'all, about to blow, y'all. Been a pleasure to know, y'all. And it's nothing you know.
When I tell a story, it is.
Oh shit! Yeah. Porgy? Another porgy. Yeah! Border shit. Alright, finally. Alright.
No big deal.
That is like a big one.
Yep.
Oh, flying fish.
There you go.
He's self-sufficient now.
That's your job. You teach them and let them do.
He's self-sufficient. He's got another one on.
Here you go.
And another one.
These guys are the doctor book have a hard time carrying their buckets out.
This one's going back.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, spit.
Here we go.
Fish on!
Good eating it.
Damn it, I'm gonna try it. It's like kind of.
I'm just gonna bleed it. Oh, what did your bucket, right?
Yeah, this is my bucket. That worm did the trick, man.
Yeah, it's a worm.
That worm I got, I'm like, I got a couple big ones. Whatever it is, it's working. We got in the start. We got in the bow.
No, clams.
Nice fish. Hold on to this. That's picture worthy. Picture.
Oh, instantly.
It's like you're giving me a good luck charm.
I know, right?
All those?
Yeah.
Yeah, killer. And you?
Two.
Two?
Only two.
I think you need alcohol. I think you need alcohol. I think you need alcohol. You'll get some alcohol.
I just get Everclear.
I mean,
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, another one.
you don't have also spoons.
Oh yeah, we don't got. Oh yeah. Well, you're gonna have to eat that. You have to.
I wish we had the other boat. The other boat has forks on it.
What's this?
I have no idea.
They give you salads with no forks?
No, but they give us the big ones. So just to put it in the plate. But
Oh, one big one, yeah. But it has to, if you look, it has to be, because that's like a no-brainer.
okay, so how we gonna eat the salad?
Here we go.
Oh shit, there. Another one. Big Nick energy.
How you doing? What's going on, fellas? Awesome.
How'd you do?
Good. Probably like 10 fish right now.
So it's like Marathon Nick. Yeah, yeah.
Don't eat that. No, I'll chase it.
What time did we start now? You know?
Oh, we had to be at the dock at 3 o'clock.
Oh.
So probably
So now? It's 2:40.
whenever the captain says. I mean.
All right. He wants to stay more. We stay.
I just hope there's people left at the parking lot. So, because we have to wait so much.
Keep it. Most of that shit was from last week.
Put it on. You're a fisherman now.
Ooh, oh. All right.
That fight? What'd you have?
Charlie got feelings. Are you pulling me? Hey! Oh, I got something too. Oh, I got something too. Hold it.
Oh, Josh got something.
Get him up.
Oh shit, you are.
Oh, look at Josh.
4 pounds.
When I tell the story, it is.
Oh shit. I saved him from drowning though, so that's
Take him out of the jar.
Oh, I had one bite.
I see it.
Oh, wow.
where's my beer?
You guys are still fishing until you hear 3 horns.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, it was great.
Porgy time. All the booze is back at the shop.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know